So I'd like Marishel, please, Marishel, explain the details and the aspects.
Yung plano natin for the alternate road that the mayor is talking about. So, there is from Nangalisan po, we can use the road from Nangalisan entering the road going to Bienvenidos Resort. So after that, we can go to the Dike, and then we will have an underpass at the Gilbert Bridge. Passing through, sa baba po siya. We will have underpass kasi we cannot distort the Dike because it will not serve its purpose anymore if we will distort it. So we will build an underpass under the Gilbert Bridge that is more or less 100 meters. And then from there, we will expand the flood control that is existing right now. Kasi yung existing natin po is 7.5 meters width. So we wish to expand it to 7 meters more so that it will have 14.5 meters na carriageway. So that we can also have a solar lights on both sides. And then, along the way going to the bypass, we have seen alternate roads also that we can use pababa dun from the Dike in Barangay Tangid and Nalbo. So, from that 1 billion cost that we have proposed, we wish also to widen these roads and also provide maybe solar lights for the safety of our constituents also.
Yeah, you explain.
Yan po siya, sir and ma'am. And then for the existing dike po, the existing dike is made up of rubble concrete with embankment and sadding. So kung nakikita nyo po yung existing natin na dike ngayon, meron lang siyang mga bato dun sa taas. Maybe it's about 2 meters depth. And then tumutubo lang yung mga damo. So we do not find it structurally stable if we will not provide concrete facing before we will provide concrete pavement at the top of the dike. So for that 1 billion cost, that the cost of the concrete facing was also been considered po.
But you give the breakdown, Marishel. Give the figures about why it's more or less 1 billion. You explain it. Huh? No?
What was included?
Oo. So bali yung yung 1 billion po, ang inclusions niya is we have to purchase lots because kahit from the dike we will still purchase yung 7.5 meters. That's almost mga 9 meters na. That is we have collaborated with our city assessor, and we will purchase more or less 20,000 square meters for that purpose po. And then we will expand the flood control. We will make from the 7.5 we will make it 14.5 meters width. And then we will have the concrete pavement. And then we will have the solar lights all throughout the roads, and then an underpass at the Gilbert Bridge, and then we will widen also the tributary roads.
And please understand that these are just proposals.
Yeah.
That's all it is. It's just proposals. The details have to still be further threshed out. We're just making proposals. Please understand that we will not be the ones to handle this project. This will be done by DPWH and SM and maybe the first district. We don't know. It's whatever, okay? These are just initial details. That's all it is. These were things that we discussed with SM here. And this is all transparent and above board, because this was given to DPWH, it was given to the first district, and nothing happened. And we're all very busy, so I just moved on and did other things. Suddenly, bigla, the congressman brought it up. So, syempre, we need to address this. I need to address this. Okay? And so, that's what we're doing now. Okay? Please understand, we prefer not to answer any questions. We're just making a presentation to you. Please understand that in the coming days and week, I will have a press conference in which I will talk about certain issues, okay? Because I think it's important that our kailian and the people know about certain issues. And I will speak about this to you, but not now, okay? It's sufficient that I filed my certificate of candidacy. It's sufficient that we presented this to you in a manner for you to understand. And I'm very sorry to say this, that the manner in which my kaanakan, the congressman, said it was really not correct. Okay? Sorry, and I have to defend myself. And this is what I'm doing. Okay? And this is with all due respect to him. Okay? This is why I need to talk to you at greater length, because there are other issues that must be addressed. Because the manner in which I'm being treated is not right. Please understand this. It is not right. That 2022 is being repeated in 2024, my gosh. Why? Why? I'll address that later. I won't address that now. I'm just relaying that to you, because syempre I feel really bad. Okay, and I feel bad that, imagine, the day before I was actually campaigning with Team Marcos. We were actually going around distributing in Gabo and everywhere. The next day, bang, look what happens. Why? Why like that? And there are other things that I'm not at liberty to talk about. Okay? I'm just so surprised the way everything took place. It didn't have to be like that. Okay? We don't have to go through a repetition of 2022 again. I don't get it. Anyway, I've said enough. Okay, guys? Thank you. Thank you.